cyclical, low-margin business, heavily dependent on government policy and subsidies. SolarMax has struggled with consistent profitability and faces stiff competition from many small installers. Their US-China exposure is a double-edged sword: big markets, but big geopolitical risks. Debt is another concern. Capital-intensive businesses can get squeezed if rates rise. The stock's been volatile, especially after going public via SPAC. For me, the company-specific risks outweigh the industry tailwinds. There are better ways to play solar, like diversified ETFs or companies with stronger moats. I'd need to see a clear, sustained path to profitability before considering SMXT. Right now, it's too speculative. The sector is promising, but this stock isn't the best vehicle. Look for stronger, more focused solar plays. If you want solar exposure, diversify. I'm passing on this one. Visionary Holdings, ticker GV, is a conglomerate with Canadian education, real estate, and a legacy Chinese home furnishings business. Their main focus is a private high school in Canada for international students, mostly from China. The education business is stable, but the company's structure is confusing and lacks synergy. Multiple unrelated businesses make it hard to analyze and value. There's significant geopolitical and regulatory risk due to their China exposure. Financials are opaque and volatility is high. Delisting risk for Chinese companies is always present. If you can't easily explain how a company makes money, it's probably not a good investment. For me, GV is a clear avoid. Too many question marks and not enough focus. There are simpler, more transparent education plays out there. Skip this one. Now to crypto. Biconomy, ticker BICO, is a Web3 infrastructure project aiming to make decentralized apps as easy to use as regular apps. They enable gasless transactions and simplify blockchain complexity for users and developers. The BICO token is used for network fees, governance, and staking. If Web3 goes mainstream, projects like Biconomy could be huge. They have a first-mover advantage and real integrations with popular dApps. Risks: fierce competition, rapid tech changes, and the token's value depends on network adoption. If usage stalls or the crypto market tanks, BICO will suffer. Still, it's a fundamentally sound infrastructure play, better than most meme coins. If you're bullish on Web3, BICO is worth researching, but it's high risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversify and keep your allocation small. Watch for continued adoption and ecosystem growth. Infrastructure is a smarter crypto bet than chasing hype. Proceed carefully. Last up, MuseDAO's Muse token powers the NFT20 protocol, which brings liquidity to NFTs by turning them into tradable ERC20 tokens. This lets users trade NFT collections easily, solving a big problem in the NFT